Hi friends, welcome back to Simplify India, your ultimate learning partner. Simplify India presenting you its new series called FinTales. Disclaimer: all the characteristics in the video are for the informative purpose and the contents are made based on the animation and hence the pictures and the events mentioned in the story are might or might not be true, and we aim to inspire the viewers based on the history of the celebrity or any of the businessmen mentioned in the story. Simplify India will never differentiate any of the caste, religion and language under any circumstances. We hope these financial stories will certainly inspire and motivates you and will certainly help you to gain your financial knowledge with the help of animated presentation made throughout the video. Our first tale, that is the financial story, is on the King of Bollywood. नाम तो सुना होगा, the Shah Rukh Khan. Let us start with King Khan's journey. He was born in New Delhi, India on 2nd November 1965. SRK lost his father at his early childhood and he also lost his mother after certain years, but he was a boy with great dreams and ambitions and with immense courage in order to fulfill these dreams and to convert it to a reality. And in order to fulfill these dreams, he had traveled from Delhi to Mumbai. After traveling to Mumbai, Dasarke had to deal with great many difficulties and financial problems. Even though he didn't got any of the leading role, in spite of that, he managed to give his best possible efforts for any of the character he has been given. And today, with his immense struggle and efforts, we can see the King of Bollywood with net worth of $600 million USD. It's perfectly suitable for SRK to say that don't underestimate the power of a common man. After traveling to Mumbai, once the SRK had to pass by the Mannat bungalow and he was very much fascinated about it that he decided one day he is going to buy this entire Mumbai and especially the Mannat bungalow. And we can see today he is living in his dream house, which is India's second most expensive and luxurious home, which is worth rupees 200 crore. Here, the SRK's famous dialogue perfectly matches that. कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुम्हें मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Let us know about SRK's education. SRK completed his higher secondary education from St. Columbia School, New Delhi. He was graduated from Hansraj College, New Delhi, and he pursued a degree in mass communication and research from Jamia Millia Islamia University and the acting from National School of Drama. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Let us know about the debut of SRK. The first screen appearance of Shah Rukh Khan was in a TV serial called Fauji in the year 1989 and the first movie debut was Deewana in the year 1992. Till now, SRK had worked in 80 plus movies, among which 2 plus were all-time blockbuster, 4 plus were blockbuster and 6 plus were super hit and the 15 plus were hit, and there were many flop movies on screen but were successful in generating the revenue. We can say that बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती रहती हैं. Let us know about SRK's awards. When it comes to Filmfare Award, he was nominated 32 times and he won 14 Filmfare Awards. And IFA, that is International Indian Film Academy, SRK was nominated 13 times and he won 5 IFA Awards. And when it comes to Star Guild Awards, he was nominated 11 times and he won 5 Star Guild Awards. Here we can say that इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रा ने मुझे तुम्हें से मिलाने की साजिश की है. Let us know about the income sources of SRK, that is movie revenue, event hosting and the business, that is from Red Chillies Entertainment and from the sponsorship of Kolkata Knight Riders and being a brand ambassador of different brands like Byju's the Learning app, ICICI Bank, LG, Tag Heuer, Jio the Digital Life, and etc. And here we came to an end of SRK's Fintel. Let us close it with one of its dialogue. दिन और रात लोगों के होते होंगे, शेरों का तो जमाना होता है. So friends, if you like our video and finds it informative, then please do share it with your friends, family and colleagues, and please do let us know the topics in the comment section on which you want us to come up in our further videos. Thanks for watching Simplify India. Please do support us by subscribing our channel. Simplify India.